Flat Towing a Bronco by Bronco Nation. You know, a long time ago, I used to drive down a highway, and I used to have a Volkswagen R32, which was like a performance hot hatch, and it was 2008. And I remember we'd be driving down the highway, and I used to love the way of the sporty feel of the DSG transmission. And I remember seeing these RVs pulling automobiles on the back, and my wife would look at that and she'd be like, wow, I want to travel the world, honey. I want to rent an RV. And I was like, wow. And I thought to myself, I was like, man, rent one of them? And I never really envisioned myself, you know, pulling a vehicle in the back of an RV or driving an RV. But now, you know, I'm seeing it. And I think it is quite awesome when you see yourself pulling a nice Bronco and helping your wife achieve her dreams as you drive across the United States with your family, and being able to go off road and just have some fun and getting back to the dirt and the elements. Well, today we're going to talk about flat towing a Bronco. Now, flat towing is when you tow a vehicle that has all four of its wheels on the ground. Now, for many that spend their time on the road in RVs and want to bring alternative transportation with them on their adventure, the towing is vital. Now, if your vehicle is being recovered from a mishap, flat towing might be the best option for getting the vehicle to where it can be repaired. Now, confirmed to Bronco Nation in July, you know, the 2021 Ford Bronco models will be flat towing capable. Regardless of which, you know, available transfer case is equipped with, both the standard 4x4 and the advanced 4x4 transfer cases can be towed with all four wheels on the ground. The capability is noted in the Bronco Build and Price tool under the details for both the 4x4 system, and Bronco Nation has confirmed with Ford that this is correct. Now, looking at the current Ranger owner menu, they give you some clues of what to be required for Broncos to be towed in its configuration. A combination of selecting a setting on the Bronco informational display, selecting 2H on the GOAT dial, and shifting the transmission into neutral will probably be required to flat tow the Bronco without damaging the transfer case. Also, typical tips and tricks with the flat towing will probably apply. Make sure that you set your climate control to recirculate air mode to keep the exhaust fumes out of your vehicles, because you don't want the exhaust fumes from your vehicle going into your vehicle and just staying in there. You don't want that, so just keep it to recirculate. Now, this is now the 4x4 with part-time selectable engagement. What they say here is that you have the electronic shift on the fly, which is known as ESOF, the two-speed, which is the acronyms, of course, the two-speed transfer case part-time system that offers the drivers 3 modes to fit your driving conditions, plus neutral. Now, the 3 selectable modes increase wheel torque to handle conditions like deep sand, steep grades. Flat towing is possible by putting the transfer case into the neutral position. And again, with the 4x4, with the automatic on-demand engagement, it says when in 4 automatic, it continuously varies power to the front wheels for optimum performance for all off-road conditions. We provide electronically locked power to both axles in challenging conditions, and can also increase wheel torque for driving over challenging conditions. Now, flat towing is possible by putting the transfer case into the neutral position. This is just to verify that just goes into the neutral position in all circumstances. You guys, this is just flat towing a Bronco, and I thought I'd go over this. We went over it again. I did a video on it before, but this one just add a little bit to it as far as engaging the recirculation mode and everything else, so you don't get all the exhaust fumes inside. And this is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.